To discuss real numbers. Example 2. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. Where q is some integer. So let us proceed. Say for example, even integer, say it is 4. 4 means it is 2 times of some integer. Any other odd positive integer, 5. 5 means it is of the form 2 times of some integer plus 1. Any of the even and odd number will be in the form of like this. So that only they are asking to prove. So now we need to write for these type of sums, statements are important. So let a be any positive integer, because according to the Euclid's division lemma, a equal to bq plus r known. So let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. So a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b, no. A equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b, no. 0 less than or equal to r less than b, no. So now here what is b? B equal to, it is 2q and 2q plus 1. This is called b. This is called b. So here b equal to 2. Here b equal to 2. Then if you apply the Euclid's division lemma, a equal to 2q plus r, no. A equal to 2q plus or no, for some integer q is greater than or equal to 0. Here q is greater than or equal to 0 and let q be some integer. Let q be some integer. Q is greater than or equal to 0. Q can be 0 but it should be greater than 0 only, like 0, 1, 2 like that. 0, 1, 2 like that. But according to the condition, let us apply the condition for r. Let us apply the condition for r. You see here q greater than 0 and 0 less than or equal to or less than b. What is b here? B equal to 2. So 0 less than or equal to or less than 2. That means above 0, r is greater than 0 but it is lesser than 2 and also it is equal to 0. That means what are all the values of r? R equal to 0 comma 1. R equal to 0 comma 1. So it is satisfied these conditions. So now r value is 0 comma 1. So now let us going to apply for this formula. You see here a equal to 2q plus r. R equal to 0, no. So that means r equal to 2q plus 0 and a equal to 2q plus 1. Two values of r I have substituted, 2q plus 0 and 2q plus 1. Now q is some integer which is greater than or equal to 0. So now what I will do is q value equal to 0, q equal to 1, q equal to 2, q equal to 3. So like that I am going to substitute the values of q here. Q equal to 0 means a equal to 0. Here q equal to 0 means a equal to 1. Q equal to 0 means a equal to 1. Here q equal to 1 means a equal to 2. Here q equal to 1 means a equal to 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. A equal to 3. Q equal to 2 means a equal to 4. A equal to 4. Q equal to 2 means 2 4s are 6 plus 1, 7. A equal to 7. Q equal to 3. A equal to 6. Q equal to 3. Q equal to 3. That means 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. A equal to 7. So now we'll check it out. Let us mark the even answers. See here, a equal to 2 and 4 and 6. All are getting even numbers, no? The final answer a is equal to. Now all the even numbers is of the form a equal to 2q, no? Plus 0 means it's just a 0. It is no meaning. Just a 2q. Now all the even numbers is of the form 2q, no? Now you check it out for all the odd numbers, odd answers. 1, 3, 5 actually. 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. It is 5 and this is 7, no? So all are odd numbers, no? All the odd numbers, it is of the form 2q plus 1. So that, let us write the final answer. Therefore, we'll write the question part. Every positive even integer. Therefore, every positive even integer is of the form even integer. All the even integer, no, is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer, every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Thank you.